Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save and rename your Excel file that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your file, and when you are finished you should go to your home page, and at the top of the screen on the left side you should tap on this button, and here you can find the default name of your Excel file that you can delete and just type in the new name of it. You can select the location of your file, and when you are done just simply tap onto the screen, and as you can see the name of your file will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.